They're trying to get him going here. They're trying to get you fans pumped up. There he goes. Come on. Look out.
Oh, we're just getting started.
Oh, it's just begun. The crowd has got to get more insane, Max. There we go.
Oh my God. See the smoke come out of that joint?
All of them took preference on that.
You see that? Wow.
Keep watching the one you like. We're going to be running who the winner is. Make some noise. Come on now.
He's the one that's been in the egg.
That's the tsunami.
All right, the crowd's getting louder. They're getting louder. Look out.
Whoa. That's the Superman.
Here we go. He says, have a seat, buddy. No, it's taken.
Wow. Complete separation from the bike. Make some noise.
I'll do that there. No, you ain't.
Hey, I'm telling you, fans.
Landon goes, I'm doing that right there.
Oh,
my God.
Hey, the more louder and louder you get, they might flip over. Come on. The more and more louder you get, they might go upside down. They might go upside down. Some of them will flip over. Here we go. Look at that one. Oh, yeah. I told you they'll flip over if you make a lot of noise.
Here he goes again. Make some noise. Let them know you like it. That is unlike anything you'll ever see unless you see down the X Games, including that man right there, Clint Esposito, just coming in from the X Games, making some fantastic jumps tonight.
That's the guy.
Separation! Give it up!
Wow! He got it going on! Look at that one! Hey, if we done a fan vote, the guy that's about to hit the ramp will be the winner. What do you think? Here we go!
Yeah!
Make some noise if you like what you see out there.
These two guys are the best. The red and the blue.
Look at that one right there.
Being able to control the bike as a side spin and bring it back 40 feet in the air. Make some noise. There we go.
Both feet on the handlebars and he stood up.
That makes
Hey,
so much
you want to
sense.
see it one more time? How about it? One more time! One more time!
One more time!
They want to
One
see it
more time! One more time!
Clint Esposito.
Here's the button. Number one.
Oh, yeah.
Give a round of applause. Number one. Clint Esposito.
He says he's got to get the nerves out. He's been upside down 3 times. He's got to get the nerves out. Wow.
after a
Here
shoulder
we go,
injury.
look out! Oh, yeah, the scissors kick.
Here he comes.